Morning students, this is Neeraj Sharma, your general knowledge teacher. We'll be discussing the real names of famous celebrities today, which is your page 16 in your general knowledge book for grade 7. Many famous celebrities use their screen names rather than the real ones. So in this particular module, we are going to find out their real names. Fine. So let's start with the first person. You must have seen her in movies like Namaste London and New York. She is one of the highest paid Bollywood actress. And who's she? Her screen name is Katrina Kaif, but her real name is Kate Turcotte. And the reason behind which she changed her name is she was actually born in Hong Kong with her mother's surname Turcotte, and her father was a British businessman of the Kashmiri descent whose name was Muhammad Kaif. So while she was coming to India, she adopted her father's surname to be more acceptable to the Indian audience, as she is working with Bollywood right now. Coming to the second personality, I don't know whether you can recognize this person or not. He is a very famous actor of the 50s and 60s. His screen name is Dilip Kumar and his real name is Yusuf Khan. The story about the reason he changed his name from Dilip Kumar to Yusuf Khan is he was actually born in a Van family in Mumbai, and he's changed his name on the request of Devika Rani for his first movie. He was going to debut in his first movie Jwar Bhata in 1944, and that is why for that he changed his name. And he is also popularly known as the Tragedy King. I don't know whether you know that or not. He is known as Tragedy King, and he has won 9 Filmfare Awards and Dada Saheb Phalke Award in 1994. He was also honored with Padma Bhushan in 1991 and Padma Vibhushan in 2015. It will be interesting for you all to know that he has also been honored with Nishan-e-Imtiyaz by the Pakistani government. And he is famous for his movies like Mughal-e-Azam and Devdas. They are very old movies. I don't know whether you have watched them or not, but he is famous for the movies like Mughal-e-Azam and Devdas. Coming to the third person, you must have seen this person. You all must be knowing him. He is on screen. He is known by the name Akshay Kumar, and his actual name is, that means the real name is Rajiv Bhatia, and he is the recipient of 2 National Filmfare Awards and 2 Filmfare Awards. The reason he changed his name is actually he was debuted with the movie Aaj by the director Mahesh Bhatt, and he was giving the role of the martial art instructor by the name Akshay in that movie. He loved the name so much that he's changed his name Rajiv to Akshay. Also, you all must be knowing that he is a black belt in Taekwondo and has learned different martial arts, and he was awarded Padma Shri in 2009 by the government. He started as an action hero and then ventured into the comedies, and then recently produced movies such as Social Interest. I don't know whether you have seen or not. Padman and Toilet-like movies, they are of the social interest. He has worked in those movies. Coming to the next person, you must have seen him in the movie like Robot. Robot is very interesting movie, though his face appears to be a bit different from that. Anyways, his screen name is Rajnikant. You all know him by the name Rajnikant, but his real name is Shivaji Rao Gaikwad. And he is hailed as superstar, or we call it as Thalaiva, and he is the most popular actor in South India. It will be interesting for you all to know that he started his life as a bus conductor and later on became the highest paid actor of Asia in 2007. The reason he changed his name, actually his name was given by his parents because they were very much inspired by Shivaji Rao, the Maratha warrior, and after that, his parents gave him this name. It was the legendary filmmaker K. Balachandar who christened him as Rajnikant in his debut film Apurva Ragangal. With this movie, he changed his name. Also, it will be interesting for you all to know that he was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and Padma Vibhushan in 2016. He has won 6 Tamil Nadu State Film Awards, and he is popularly known for his role in Shivaji and Robot-like movies. I will suggest you all to watch Robot and Shivaji. Coming to the next person, can you all recognize her? She is a very famous old actress. Her screen name is Rekha, and her real name is Bhanu Rekha Ganesan. The reason he changed, actually this is not, she doesn't change her name. This is just a part of her original name, Bhanu Rekha. She just dropped her surname when she entered in the Bollywood industry. She came from the southern film industry and she just dropped her surname. It will be interesting for you all to know that with a career spanning over 50 years, Rekha has acted in more than 190 movies, and she was honored with Padma Shri in 2010 and has won 3 Filmfare Awards. She was given National Film Award for the Best Actress. Cool. Now let's move to the next person. Who is he? I hope you all have seen him in movies like Singham and Gangajal. I don't know whether you can name him. His screen name is Ajay Devgan. We all know him by the name Ajay Devgan in Bollywood, but his real name is Vishal Devgan, and the reason he changed his name is simply because when he was being launched in Bollywood, several other actors with the same name Vishal were launched, right? So in order not to clash, in 1991 when he entered the film industry, he changed his name from Ajay Devgan to Vishal Devgan. Also, Manoj Kumar's son's name was also Vishal, so not to clash with any other's name, so he adopted this particular name. It will be interesting for you all to know that he is recipient of 2 National Film Awards and 3 Filmfare Awards, and he has been honored with Padma Shri in 2016. And as I told you earlier, that his famous movies or the best movies include Zakhm and Gangajal. Now coming to next person, this is again an actor of 90s, I guess. 90s. Her screen name is Tabu, and her actual name, the real name of her is Tabassum Hashmi. The reasons, actually this is Tabu is the short and the nickname of her original name Tabassum. She is known by many names like Tabs and all, but the most popular name of her is Tabu. She got recognized with this name in all over in India by the Indian audience. She has won over, I think, 2 National Film Awards and 6 Filmfare Awards. She was honored with Padma Shri in 2011. She was one of the best actresses of that time, and she is known for her roles in Machis-like movies. Drishyam and Virasat, all these movies belong to her. Now coming to, he is a recent actor. You all must be knowing him. He is Tiger Shroff, born to the famous actor Jackie Shroff, and he debuted in 2015 from Heropanti. I hope you all have watched that movie. He also has the black belt in Taekwondo, and you all must be knowing he is an avid dancer. His screen name is Tiger Shroff, but his actual name is Jai Hemant Shroff, and the reason he changed his name is actually he thinks like his father. He thinks Tiger Shroff sounds much cooler than the name Jai Hemant Shroff, as he according to him, he opted the name Tiger Shroff because that sounds cool to him. Now, the last person in this module we are going to talk about is this. I don't know whether you have watched his movies or not. His screen name is Govinda. He has also been a member of parliament from 2004 to 2009. His actual name, his real name is Govind Ahuja. It will be interesting for you all to know that he changed his name 6 times before entering in Bollywood, just for the name and fame. He believed that the name changing process can lead him to a great fame, and that worked also for him. He has also won 3 Filmfare Awards, and as I told you, he has been a member of parliament from 2004 to 2009. That's all about today's class. Just go through them, just go through all the persons, their screen names and their real names. Write them somewhere, revise it, and we'll be back again with the next session. Thank you.